Hey everyone, welcome to episode 3 of our summer series, Road Temperatures. If you had a chance to check out my last video, I talked a little bit about this when I was discussing paving, but in this one I'm going to focus on variability, why that occurs, and what the importance is behind it. So why do road temperatures fluctuate over any given network? Well, there's a million different reasons why they could. Some of the main ones include changes in elevation. If you have a road at an elevation of 400 feet and then one above it at 1,200 feet, you're going to see different conditions on those two roadways. If you have bodies of water in the area, they can influence the road temperatures. Shading obviously plays a big role, and even surface type. Some surfaces will absorb more heat and others will radiate more heat out. So in this first example here in the Syracuse, New York area, we had a lake effect snow event last winter. And the 4 dots represent 4 road temperature sensors in the area. And these aren't that far apart. They're about 5 to 10 miles away from each other. And if you look, the one to the southwest is reporting over 40 degrees in this snapshot in time, while the one to the northeast is hovering below freezing at the same exact time. So that's a 10-degree difference in road temperature in a matter of about 5 to 10 miles, which is very significant. Also, if you look closely at the one to the southwest that's reporting at about 41 degrees, there is a lake in that area, and that could have been influencing the road temperature there. In this next example, it's kind of on a wider scope, but we have 20 sensors scattered in central Ohio, where we were hoping to run some analysis on how they differ over a winter season. So the chart is showing the month of December. The circles represent the sensors, and the different colors represent the road temperatures. So these are averages over an entire day, but you can see in the middle of the month, we see some pretty significant differences amongst the sensors. Some are well below freezing, some are at freezing, some are above freezing. During this stretch, we saw road temperatures vary by as much as 10 to 15 degrees just in this area in central Ohio. So why is this important? Why is it important to understand what road temperatures are? Well, obviously, if you know what your road temperatures are, you have better visibility on your road network. So instead of driving around to determine what road temperatures are, what the road conditions are, you know ahead of time. The second thing you can do is you can kind of pinpoint warm or cold spots and target certain areas. So if certain locations are warmer, then you can divert your resources to the colder locations, and then you can go to the warmer locations later if necessary. It also helps to increase communication and ultimately reduce your costs.